Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where today we are going to be recapping the price action from Thursday, April 30th, where I managed to come out overall with a 2R winning day from this beautiful NQ long. So coming into the day, I was more so bearish because of these 2 days, and YM actually broke out of this consolidation here. We were still inside this gap, but I was more so looking to see bearish price action. But as soon as 1800 open, we can see that we have had this massive push to the upside. And overall, up until 8 o'clock, we can see that we had this massive wick on NQ, but then this very bullish move back into this 50% of this week and closing above that level just told me that we weren't finished with this high here. And you can see that YM actually was the strongest to the upside. And coming into the day, let's go to the 15 minutes. So coming into the day, what was I exactly waiting for? So I was more so looking to trade YM to this, where was it on 7-hour, to this April 23rd high of the range that we were stuck into, because we've taken the low and then we have shown real displacement to the upside. So my low hanging fruit was just this high and later these other highs too, but it was mainly about this high. So I'm gonna just annotate it real quick. So it's at 703 or thereabouts. I'll put it as 700. So coming into the day, I was looking to see this level get visited, and I was waiting at 9:30 to see a reaction from NQ because we have taken these lows here. These lows were relatively equal to each other, so this was the relevant level I was looking for. And then we just have this void, so the next one would be this low right here. And at 9:30, after we have pushed up on YM, I was just looking to see some kind of divergence and a CSD on NQ to trade YM to the upside. So something like, let's say this, something like this to somehow get a 2R out of that. But NQ kept pushing downwards. So after this candle here, I was just waiting for NQ to take out this low because the other assets were just much higher and we couldn't SMT this low. So all we had to do was take it and then see the reaction from NQ. And as you can see, we have taken this low at 10.15, and then we have pushed higher, creating this bullish fair value gap. So why did I take a trade here? My overall bias was still bullish up to these highs here, and YM was the overall strongest to the upside. But as you can see, very close to my entry on NQ, at 11:45, we have had this dip inside this fair value gap, and this is like SMT fill, where NQ dips inside this fair value gap, but this low is right here on YM. So we have SMT, then we have SMT like this. To be honest, we have PSP, and then we have another SMT on the consecutive candles with YM. So we were having a lot of confluences inside this level, and I wasn't really a fan of trading YM because we were so overextended to the upside, and my low-hanging fruit, as you can see, was reached here. So I was looking to trade the lagging asset overall to these highs here. and I entered on the 5-minute chart when we closed above this here. So as soon as we close here, I basically market ordered and put my stop below this low, because we have those two SMTs, we have PSP, and moreover we have this inversion created on the 5-minute chart and this bullish fair value gap. So we have a balanced price range, we have PSP, we have SMTs, so we have everything we need to go up. And why did I choose like a 2.5, 2.6 risk to reward? Well, I entered with about 0.7, 0.75 of an R risk on this trade, and I'm not sure, I didn't check, so I will check right now with you guys. Do we have a strength switch? So we have these lows, this low, this low. We have made SMT like this, and we were still, yeah, we had another SMT like this, and then PSP, and then we confirmed it again. We have a bearish fair value gap getting inverted, and then we have this bullish one, so we have another small BPR close above, and you could have probably also taken this, but this was much better, because we were closing above the low hanging fruit I wanted, and we were closing above this, and we had the balanced price range, so everything was pointing upwards and everything was in my favor for this long to play out. And I also had a bit of luck with my exit, but anyway, that would have been, let's say here, it was also really close to it to our winning day. So that is gonna be it, guys. If you like this type of recaps, please leave a like, share, and hit the bell, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.